Yeah, hello guys. So I checked into a new apartment and I decided to check with you how a two-bedroom apartment looks like. A two-bedroom apartment looks like in Russia, and I hope you guys would enjoy it. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and welcome to Dear Mike, where I always give you exclusive content and always make sure I keep you guys updated about life in Moscow and life in Russia. Smash the like button. Love you guys. Let's start from the entrance. So this is the entrance, and then you play the bell to notify the person inside. So this is the door, and the apartment. Let's start from this is the sitting room. This place is the sitting room. In Nigeria, I call it this one like a mini flat, a one-bedroom flat. So it has a TV. And let me put on the lights. So this is it, quite big. The sitting room. Yeah, it comes with all this pressing iron. Yeah. Then this is the corridor, and this is the outside view. And you spread the float here. Yeah, it's quite warm here, so you can open up now, and you won't really feel cold. Our washing machine here. A heater here, in case it is so cold and you want to stay here, just heat up the place. Yeah, so actually looks beautiful. Yeah, looks so beautiful. Yeah. This is the place I lounge, and we'll move down here. You put out your jacket here. Hello, hi. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. Then the bedroom. The bedroom has some door and everything here. Don't mind my Apple system. Yeah, there's a bedroom. Yeah, and the wardrobe. I have some few clothes there. The wardrobe is actually beautiful, and it comes with a mirror. Yeah, comes with a mirror, and this is the type of socket we use in Moscow to pin out. Yeah. A nice curtain, and a nice view too. A nice view from the that's so nice. Yeah, that's a nice mirror. Yeah, I love this too. Yeah. Then the toilet and the bedroom are together. So there you have it, yeah. This is beautiful. Another washing machine here. There's another washing machine here. And this is the Wi-Fi for internet. Yeah. And let's get to the kitchen. The kitchen always comes with a little dining for you to eat. And there's a TV here. Let's watch TV together. A wall clock here. The lights are on now. Yeah. The microwave. Now the cooker. The kettle. And this to absorb the heat. Some drawers here to hold and everything. Yeah. Now this is quite empty. Yeah, some tea. I met it in this apartment. Some cutlery, plates and everything. Quite okay. I love my apartment. It's cozy. So you could put the rubbish here. I have one here. Yeah, and the heater. There's an heater. Yeah, some beautiful flowers. I also made these flowers here. And a view of my kitchen too. Yeah. A refrigerator here. A refrigerator, yes. It's quite empty. A freezer. A drawer. Yeah, so much kettle in this house. So much kettle. So, another drawer here. It's empty. Since I'm new in the house, so I'm here to really put things here. So this is my beautiful kitchen. Yeah, and the guys. Yeah, some cups. No thing to watch the plate, the dishes, to do the dishes. Yeah. And liquid soap on the floor. Yeah. So as you can see, we have a double door here for security reasons. So that's it, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed the tour, my apartment tour with me. And if you have any comment, and you can put it in the comment section. And the apartment is not expensive, just 50,000 rupees in a month. So it's quite very good. So see you guys in my next vlog. I love you and I will always love you. Share, like, and turn on the post notification if you've not done so.